you? How's the ship?
Today we're at a greenhouse. This is called a greenhouse.
Greenhouse.
Is it green?
Is it green?
No, but what's inside? Tomatoes and plants and things. So we grow plants in a greenhouse because it helps the plants stay warm. So if you look, you can see all of these are what? They're tomato plants. So, do you see red tomatoes?
Yeah.
Do you see green tomatoes?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you look very close, you will see small green tomatoes, right? So how do we know
Don't touch yet.
when the tomatoes are ready to eat?
How do you know?
Red can eat and red cannot eat.
Right, so we eat the red ones and we don't eat the green ones, right? So what are things that we need to grow tomatoes? We need water.
What else?
What else? Boys, pay attention. Water. So we've got these. These are our flashcards. So we got water.
Water.
Right? And what's this one? Air. Okay, so we need water and air. We need the sun. And you need soil. Okay? Alright, so soil is special stuff. When people make soil to grow things like tomatoes, they put different things into dirt to make it so it's more healthy for the tomatoes. Because plants, they need vitamins, just like you, right? So plants, they take the sun and they change the sun into more food. But they also need things in the soil to make them healthy and strong, just like you guys, right? If you always drink water, and you only drink water, will you be healthy and strong? No, so you need to eat food, right? So the stuff in the soil makes them more healthy and strong. Okay. They need water. Everything needs water, right? Yes, plants drink water, animals drink water, you guys drink water, we all need water, right? Okay? Yep. And then, this is how often do you water the plants? If you look into that box down there, do you see two black hoses? Yes, those are hoses. So there's water in there. And what happens is they fill the hoses with water, and the water will come out slowly and keep the soil moist so the plants can drink a lot of water. I'm sure that these plants drink a lot of water, right? Okay, now the other thing. Is this like a tree? No, this is called a vine. Okay, so like grapes, right? Grapes grow on vines, and tomatoes grow on vines too. So they put this net. You see these? Yeah, they put the net there so the vines can grow easily and the fruit doesn't become too heavy to break down the vines. Yeah. Any questions?
No.
This is what we got. This is a vine, right? This is a tomato plant. It's not very tall, and there's not a lot of fruit, so it can stand, no problem. But what are the different parts of this plant? This is, right here, this is called the stem. Stem. And then I heard somebody talking about flowers, right? These are the flowers. You've got some yellow flowers here. Are these flowers yet? Not yet. These are called buds or blossoms. Alright, so buds. Everybody say flower bud.
Flower bud.
Alright, and then what happens to the flower buds? Do they change into something?
No.
Yeah, they do. Every flower that you see will slowly become a tomato. Yeah. So if you look here real close, these are green tomatoes. Look here very, very close. You see a tiny, tiny, tiny tomato.
Yeah.
Right? This tiny, tiny, tiny tomato started as a flower. So we've got the stem, we've got the flowers, we've got the buds, and then I just heard somebody say leaves. These are the leaves. What do leaves do? That's a good thing to say. They catch the sun, and then the plant uses the sun to make its own food. That's pretty interesting. That's called photosynthesis. That's a crazy word, right? Can you try to say that one? Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
So all green trees on our planet, they use our sun to make their own food to grow, which is a very cool idea, right? So, do you want to be a plant? You can use the sun. You can use the sun to make food.
No.
You don't need to eat anymore. No more candy. No more bread. You just, yeah, no more noodles. Just stand in the sun and you will be full. Yeah, that's not fun, right?
It's cool.
So, also, there's parts you can't see. In the soil, there are things called roots. Okay, the roots are what's in the soil. So when the water goes down into the soil, and the vitamins and the minerals and the things in the soil go in through the roots and up into the tree, and it helps it grow, right? So the roots help the plants drink water. Okay? You got that? Okay, so what do leaves do? They catch the sun so the plant can make its own. It can make it grow so it makes its food, right? Yeah. That's called photosynthesis. And then we've got flowers, and the flower buds will go to flowers, and then the flowers will change into tomatoes. But are there flowers on other fruit trees?
No.
Yeah. That's why some people like to go look at cherry blossoms, right? Everybody likes to take pictures of those. So those cherry blossoms, the flowers will change into fruit, slowly but surely, right? Okay? So, we need water for the plants, right? We need sun. What else? Water, sun, soil, and air and water, right? That's a big one too, okay? So, is it good to put too much water? No, too much water and the plants will be soggy, right? Okay? Yeah, they'll be soggy and then they'll start to wilt and things like that. So, these farmers take a long time to learn when to water their plants, right? You can't just water every day you want. You have to learn. You have to study. You have to watch. You can try doing it this way and watch. And then you try a different way and you watch. And then you find the best way to do it, right? This is what you need to do when you do homework or you do classwork or you do anything. You can try one way. And if it doesn't work, you learn. And then you try again, a different way. And you can find the best way to do things by trying different ways. These farmers have been growing these vegetables and these fruits for a long time. So they know how to do it. They know how much sun. They know how much water. They know how many things to put in the soil. Right? So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Yeah. So, anybody remember parts of a plant? Inside, what are those? Well, what about the roots? And then these are called? Leaves. And this is the? Tomato, or the fruit of the plant, right? Is tomato a fruit or a vegetable? It's a fruit. It's a fruit. Okay. And then before they become flowers, these are flower buds. And then they become flowers. The big part right here is the stem. It's the stem. Okay, not bad. Yeah, you guys seem like you got it. Does anybody remember the crazy word I said, the super long one?
No.